Today at whichgolfcourse.com we are reviewing Huawei's latest smartwatch called the GT5 Pro. This model comes in two versions, a black version and an all-white ceramic model. We purchased the black version directly from Huawei as there was a release deal which featured a spare watch strap and the FreeBuds 5i. Okay, so over to unboxing and let's start with the watch first. The box comes in a cellophane wrapper and precision fit strengthened card box. The watch sits perfectly housed in a card recess and comes tied around foam to maintain its shape during storage. The watch face is made from titanium and is 46mm in diameter. The watch feels really comfortable to wear and weighs approximately 53 grams. The screen size is 1.43 inches, 466 by 466 pixel AMOLED screen and a pixels per inch of 326. Inside the base layer of the box you will find the warranty booklet and all manufacturer details that accompany the watch model. The charging mount can also be found inside this area. The watch simply sits directly on top of this in a recessed area. The power supply is a basic USB port, but please take note that the watch doesn't ship with an electric power plug. Okay, let's move on to the FreeBuds 5i. These are currently retailing at £89. They come in a nice molded box. Just like the watch box, there are left and right pockets which house the USB Type-C to standard USB charging cable. Huawei describes the FreeBuds 5i as sleek and elegant in their looks, and these are compatible with both Android and also Apple. Huawei says that these have 28 hours of listening from a full charge and 4 hours from 15 minutes. Connection was dead easy, and it took seconds for the earbuds to appear on my Bluetooth list. Finally, there is the watch strap. This is currently available in a choice of 3 colors and retails for £40. It's changeable via the quick release system found on the back of the strap. At launch you can have the watch, earpods and a second strap for £329 direct from Huawei. Setup is dead easy. Just place the watch on the charging mount to start it up. Following the screen prompts you to choose your system language, choose the device to pair the watch to, and scan the QR code which launches the Huawei Heath App. From here you scan and find the GT5 Pro, connect via Bluetooth and follow the prompts for any system updates. The watch navigation is simple to use. You swipe in any direction to reveal the watch functions, from basic settings, notifications, alerts and health updates. There is also a quick function find option via the watch crown, which displays a beautiful and fluid view, all visual and scrollable menu. The crown is beautifully crafted and features the blind embossed logo to add that touch of finesse to its overall design. You can also use the lower button to select modes and to activate and read screen options and messages. The GT5 Pro comes with several out-of-the-box watch faces for you to instantly choose and update across a range of different design styles. However, if you can't find a watch face you like, simply connect the watch to the app and browse hundreds of watch faces. These come at a cost, but they range from 49p up to £4. The great thing about this is that you can even try before you buy and load the face onto your watch, and it stays installed for around 5 minutes so you can get a real feel for the design. The watch comes with tons of sports modes such as swimming, walks and professional runs, snowboarding, hiking and even specific gym equipment. Today we are briefly looking at the golf app. There are 2 modes available. The first is course mode, which tracks your golf game and is a full golf caddy on your wrist. This is activated by enabling GPS location to start. The second mode is for the driving range to help you practice and record range performance. Both are connected back to the Huawei app, where you can store, track and measure your golf game. We have done daylight screen tests, the first being in the shade, and we can see that the screen has 90% screen clarity. The second video was in direct sunlight where the visibility went down to about 60% screen clarity, but this would be the same with any digital smartwatch device in these conditions. Stepping slightly away from the watch and looking at the fitness functions on the Health app, This is impressive, and we genuinely mean, this app is really one of the best. You basically have a full suite of fitness videos and guides in the palm of your hand, from yoga, running training, weight loss programs to stay fit plans, Pilates, HIIT workouts, cardio training and shared fitness challenges with other users. The fitness and development team at Huawei have done an outstanding job with this app. For all the features there is a paid subscription, so please check current rates at the time you watch this video. The app can even track your sleep patterns and even comes with sleep music to help you naturally fall asleep, or white noise for those that need to hear basic rhythms to drift off. The main sensor is found underneath the watch face, with a further 8 sensors built into the watch to ensure that you and your environment are tracked and recorded to precision. Here are the basic specs for the GT5 Pro. Feel free to pause the video to view all, or head over to the Huawei website for the full breakdown. We are giving the watch and the app, whichgolfcourse.com, 5 out of 5 stars. This truly is the perfect watch for day-to-day wear and sports and fitness tracking. If you've enjoyed this video review of the GT5 Pro, why not pop over to whichgolfcourse.com, which is your home for everything golf, including golf holidays, discounts on golf equipment, golfing tips, golf tech reviews, and much more. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment with your thoughts or questions on the watch, and please subscribe to this channel.